Wisdom teeth. People ask me, why do I have to have my wisdom teeth out? My friends don't have their wisdom teeth out. And that's a frustrating thing. Some people do have to have their wisdom teeth out because there's not enough space, there's not enough room, or they're causing trouble for the teeth beside them. And that's unfortunate. And the real reason why we have trouble with wisdom teeth is because human arches back 1,000 years ago to 10,000 years ago used to grow a lot wider. Human arches were about 40 millimeters across, and there was room for the 28 teeth plus the 2 more wisdom teeth. And the bottom line is that the wisdom teeth at the back come in when you're about 18 to 20 years of age, and if your arch has not really grown to be really wide, you won't have room for it. And also another factor too is if you do have wisdom teeth that are hard to clean, you'll get gum disease around them. Then sometimes you have to take them out because you have periodontal pockets or gum disease pockets around them, or because you can't clean them, they get tooth decay. If you've got a high intake of sugar, I've seen a lot of big abscesses in wisdom teeth. And I think that the main thing is to know is that today, with the benefits of nitrous oxide and vibrational medicine so that you get frozen painlessly, you can get frozen, be very, very calm and quiet, and you can have your wisdom teeth out very, very smoothly. There are still some people whose arches grow wide enough that they can keep their wisdom teeth. As long as they make a special effort to clean well around the wisdom teeth, they can keep them. But if they start developing gum disease or tooth decay, then we have to talk. So if you want more information, email us info@dolphindentistry.com or phone us 613 to learn more. Call 234 and 5758, make a smile date.